Howdy, boys and girls. Let's go to the farm. Today we will meet the chickens. Let's open the barn door and find them. Oh, here are the chickens. Boy chickens are called roosters. Girl chickens are called hens. Baby chickens are called chicks. Hens lay eggs. Let's see if the hens have laid any eggs today. Ooh, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. Sometimes we use eggs for eating. Sometimes the mother hen sits on her eggs for 21 days and hatches her chicks herself. But sometimes we hatch eggs in an incubator, like this one.
Look at how hard he's breathing. That's hard work.
Maybe his head's in the top part of the
Here he comes.
Aww. Oh, he's so cute. His head's in the shell still.
Yeah, he's just taking a breather.
Oh, he's so cute.
There he is.
After chicks hatch, they need to be kept warm. And just like you, chicks need exercise, and chicks also need fresh air and sunshine. Also, like you, chickens need a safe place to live, and they need food and fresh water each and every day. Chickens make great pets and cuddle buddies and friends. Chickens are also great listeners. Thank you for visiting the farm. I hope you enjoyed meeting the chickens.